The circuit that has been printed on sticker paper or glossy paper is pasted on the PCB board.
Wave Beats Music.
The iron-on process is the process of transferring the circuit from the sticker paper onto the PCB board. This process is done using a laminate machine with a temperature setting of 150 degrees at speed 4. This process needs to be done 3 to 4 times.
Wave Beats Music.
The PCB process is done in the project laboratory. To perform the etching process, each student must wear PPE, which is personal protective equipment that has been set by the department to minimize exposure to dangers that cause injury. The PPE equipment used are apron, face mask, goggles, rubber gloves, and safety shoes. Etching is the process of using a strong acid known as ferric chloride to cut the unprotected parts of a PCB to create a schematic circuit PCB layout design. The acid temperature is set to a maximum of up to 50 degrees Celsius. Although the temperature reaches 40 degrees Celsius, the process can be done. The PCB will be exposed to liquid ferric chloride according to the appropriate settings. This etching process can be performed using a machine known as a rotary spray machine. The duration of the etching process is 1 minute 30 seconds. Upon completion of the etching process, the PCB is washed and sanded with sandpaper to remove laser jet printer ink. The drilling process is done after the etching process is implemented. This process aims to produce a round hole by using a drill bit on a circuit that is ready to be formed for the purpose of inserting the component legs in the hole. There are 2 drill points used in the production of the mini project, where 1.0mm drill points are used for relays and IC regulators, while 0.8mm drill points are used for components such as resistor, diodes, and transistors. Once the PCB is ready to be drilled, the components are inserted and then soldered. The soldering process is the process of connecting the connecting wires or component legs on the PCB by melting the metal. The completed circuit must be tested using a multimeter to check for short circuits or open circuits on the resulting circuit. Finally, the circuit is ready to be tested.